Good morning. No, it's afternoon now. And our baby girl is sleeping. Daddy Frank was looking after our baby.
She looked very pretty today. I came back from the gym.
Oh.
Joanna dressed her up in her pink.
Sobrang init dito. It's 27 degree. It's 27 degree today. So, I dressed her up like that para hindi mainitan si
Does she have
Ella.
a photo shoot later?
Oh, it's Mother's Day today, honey.
Oh yeah, happy Mother's Day.
No, Franco already greeted me this morning. But yeah, happy Mother's Day to all mommies.
Happy Mother's Day to my love. Happy Mother's Day to my mother. And happy birthday. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there who are watching this video. You're doing an amazing job. And me and Joanna love you all.
And hello, Kuya Cooper. Are you gonna greet mommy as well? He's my baby. My Kuya Cooper. Everyone's missed you. You say happy Mother's Day to all. Diyos ko, ang taba-taba ni Kuya Cooper. Ang taba-taba. Ang taba ang love-love ni mommy.
Actually, guys, in the UK, it's not Mother's Day. That's
Yeah.
why I haven't even greeted my own mother today, because usually this...
It's finished already.
It's finished in March.
Yeah,
I think
so,
in the US and Philippines, right?
yeah, so mas nauna yung Mother's Day dito.
So Joanna gets to celebrate 2 Mother's Day then?
Yeah, because I'm from the Philippines. Actually, it's US, Switzerland, and Philippines. It's Mother's Day today, only here in UK. I don't know which other part of the world who is celebrating Mother's Day.
Is there anyone else that doesn't celebrate Mother's Day today? Watching, please comment down below. So I'm not the only one, even though I am celebrating because of Joanna.
And ito na si Inday. Kaka-shower ko lang actually. Nakapag-shower ako kasi si baby natulog kanina. After ko siyang bigyan ng milk. And then I'm cooking some soup. Nagluto ako ng sabaw mga Inday para lalami yung ating gatas. Ayan. So, ayan, pinakuluan ko muna ito. Nilagyan ko ng madaming luya. Para ano daw. Ayan. Mahirap kasi talagang magluto dito kasi wala kaming Filipino store na malapit. And lahat ng mga suggestion nyo, actually, I try my best to cook a lot of soup para magka-dede. But still, we're mixed feeding. We tried to give her my milk earlier. Tapos pag wala na, umiiyak na naman siya. And actually, someone gave me this. Binigyan, dala pala ito ni Marvin sa Pilipinas. This one, natalak. This is the malunggay capsule. So, iniinom ko din to. And yes, I'll try my best talaga mga Inday, but laban lang tayo sa pagiging nanay. So, ayan, what's the plan today, Bob? Franco's planning something for me daw. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung plano niya. What's the plan today?
We're going out for dinner. I've got a little surprise for you.
No! May surprise ka?
And it's not what you're thinking, my love. The doctor said not until 4 weeks, okay?
No, 6 weeks.
6 weeks, okay? That no till to idea out your mind.
Si Franco nung kay bantang. And by the way, nagsuot na pala ako ng binder. Actually, may binder naman talaga ako. Ayan na yung, ano ko, tummy ko at the moment. Medyo wala-wala na siya. Yung puso na lang yung meron. But, okay lang yan. It's part of being a mother na hindi naman natin minamadali yung ano, di ba? Na balik alindo. For now, I'm just being a mom. And magluluto ako, Day. Anuhin ko muna tong niluto ko dito. You want to put her down, you see? Oh, I can't wait to eat this way.
Hello, lovies. I'm here. Hello. I'm saying hello to you. Hi.
Against the light, man.
What's it? I
Oh.
don't know why. She keeps doing this thing when she sleeps. She puts one hand in the air, like her mum. I've actually got a funny picture of her.
Oh, bless you, honey.
Darling. Bless you, my dear. Always remember, my love, these things here, these are daddy's, they're called daddy's pectorals. They're not susu from your mommy. They have no milk, okay? Don't try to suck this, okay?
You want to put her down now?
Yeah, she's opening her eyes a bit like. You know, let her sleep again. Actually, guys, baby Ella had her first day in the mall yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
And She was very,
She loved it.
she loved it. She was like resting when she was walking through the mall, but as soon as she went into Zara, oh my god, she was so quiet, smiling, observing, looking around.
She had a little shopping.
Yeah, she had an instinct for Zara. From
Like
her-
mommy.
Like her mum.
Uy, my baby is being fashionista man, uy. Uy, my baby.
She's like that. Look at that eyebrow, look.
Ang kapal ng eyebrow niya. Siya very thick eyebrow, no? Tapos mahaba yung eyelashes niya. Yung kung saan niya nagmana. Diyos ko yung darling na aking. Uy.
Hindi just a little.
Gigil na gigil yung nanay at tatay. Ang bango-bango ng mga bunganga nila, no? Grabe. Their breath is very...
Everything smells good about them. Their breath, their kili.
Their
But as soon as they,
hair.
what age do they start smelling? Because I used to love kissing my nephews, but now Max has got to the age where he's starting to, he's got his own, like, obviously if he runs around he'll smell a little bit, stuff like that, right?
Yeah.
So what age is it when they start smelling? Even Zach, I like kissing him still.
Maybe 3?
The cat, I still like kissing Zach.
Yeah, Zach is big now.
Yeah.
So you probably have seen already the vlog where Ella meets the family. And nung nakita namin si Ella and Zach together, Zach seems so big, no?
Yeah. Zach was so small before, but now he's so big.
Kaya may dalaging-ging naman si Inday. May dalaging-ging naman ang mommy.
You look like your mother. Yes, you do. You look like your mother.
Sometimes she looks like Franco, sometimes she looks like me. Iba-iba yung beauty niya. Ang Diyos ko.
It's got brown hair actually, you know, sometimes.
Yeah, when there's lights. So, ayan. Nagising na yung bata namin pero natulog din. But, Franco told me he's going to the gym. But, he actually bought flower for Mother's Day.
Will you be my Mother's Day date tonight?
Actually, sabi niya,
Why?
mag-ayos daw ako. Franco told me to fix because we're going to have dinner. I think we change our mind now kasi parang wala akong gana.
What's that? Who did you song again?
Through the
No, the start.
I can't remember.
I can't remember when you wasn't there.
We weren't there.
When I didn't care for anyone but you, my dear. Through the years, you never let me down. Happy first Mother's Day, dear.
Thank you, honey.
Thank you for giving me a beautiful daughter.
Yeah, this is the best gift actually. Ella is the best gift, best Mother's Day gift for us. So wala na akong hihilingin pa.
What does that mean? So, my love, make sure when you have a future boyfriend or husband or whoever he is, he always buys you flowers like I do for your mother. So you will see this growing up, and this should be your minimum expectation.
Yeah, actually, Franco always buys me flower even we were dating. Kahit nung nagdi-date pa lang kami dati, Zay, talagang mabili na to ng flowers. Thank you, honey.
I'm sorry I haven't been able to get you anything fancy, but you know how busy it's been recently.
I don't need fancy. Ito na lang, oh. Ito yung pinaka. This is my lifetime gift.
So now what birthday present for you then? I give you a gift.
Pwede pa dong, pwede pa. Actually, nag-ayos ako, Day. So, I fixed kaunti. Kasi sabi ni Franco, we're going to have dinner. I thought that's his gift for Mother's Day.
We're gonna have dinner still, or not?
Nah. Ella is sleeping now. So, it's okay. We're just gonna chill here at home na lang sa first Mother's Day.
Yeah, we was meant to have dinner, but seems as though Ella hasn't really slept well today. So
Yeah.
she keeps crying a lot and just wants to be in Mummy's arms, really.
So, yeah, sinisettled ko siya. But, liptin pa naman si Inday.
Through the years, you never let me down. You turn my life around.
The sweetest days
So you put these in the vase then?
I found with you.
Ella, for you, my dear, you will have one flower from me. And you will also have many flowers to come from me, my dear. Give me a kiss. Diyos ko.
Tulog na. Actually, sobrang ano lang, no? It's not really hard to look after a newborn. You just have to feed them and then natutulog na naman siya, obviously.
Actually, that's what people were saying, that this is the easy part.
Yeah.
Once it gets past like a couple of months, then it starts getting more difficult. But it's very hard. It's like, you don't...
You
like,
just have
obviously-
to wake up every 3 hours.
Yeah,
You know?
for Joanna it's very difficult because she has to wake up every 3 hours feeding the baby.
I told Franco earlier, parang nakalimutan ko na yung feeling. How it feels to have sleep for 7 hours straight. But yes, it's okay. Pag ito naman yung inaalagaan ni Mommy.
She's definitely mummy's girl, huh?
Mommy's
She
girl.
always sleeps well with mummy's arms.
Hello, Kuya Cooper. Why don't you show Kuya Cooper? Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Come on,
Here.
Mommy. Come on. Come on. Say hi to everybody. Oh, you also want to greet Mommy Mother's Day.
Through the years, you never let me down. You turn my life around.
Kuya Cooper. Yo, smell Ella. Come on. Smell. Where's Ella? Where's Ella?
There she is.
Where's Ella? Are you happy? Yes. You're happy, Baba.
Actually, it's quite cute. He goes up and checks on Ella from time to time.
Oo nga, sobrang ano nito ni Cooper kasi pumupunta siya sa kwarto tapos chine-check niya talaga yung crib ni Ella tapos bumabalik siya dito. Tapos there was a time na Ella was crying kasi may ginagawa ako dito. Tapos hinayaan ko muna siyang umiyak kaunti. Tapos si Cooper dali-dali niya chinek si Ella. Tapos nagbabark siya, parang sinasabi niya, oh, she's awake. Very good, Kuya Cooper. We love you, Kuya Cooper. Still love, Mommy. So, habang nakabantay si Dong Franco kay Ella, i-ano ko muna tong flowers na binili niya. So, pinatulog niya muna si Ella. And then, ewan ko baka magluto na lang din. Hindi ko pala napakita sa inyo yung niluto ko kanina after. Kasi umiyak si baby, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Kumain ako ng sabaw. Ang ganda ng flowers na bigay ni Dong Franco. Pink na pink, Jai. Meron ba tong ano? Ayan. So si Dong, pinilahan niya din pala ako ng bulaklak dun sa hospital. Yung nakalagay dito kanina, tinapon ko na. Ayan. Lagay natin to para mas mabuhay siya ng mas matagal. Ang ganda. Ganda ng bulaklak ni Inday. Gubitan lang natin tong dulo para maano niya yung vitamins kanina. Yan. Minsan ba, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwalang nanay na talaga ako. Parang pag tinitingnan ko si Ella, parang nananaginip pa din ako. Sobrang sarap sa feeling maging nanay, no? As in, Jai. So, Ella is, more than 2 weeks old na ang aming baby girl. So, sobrang timing kasi nakahabol ako sa first Mother's Day. Actually, dito sa UK, tapos na yung Mother's Day, kaya walang celebration dito sa UK. But dyan sa Pilipinas, Mother's Day, and of course, taga-Pilipinas ako, dahil kaya mag-celebrate ng kaunti. Dapat pala sana mag-celebrate kami, di ba? Kaso, tinamad na din ako, eh. Kasi wala naman akong tulog ng maayos ba. So, sayang naman yung lip-tint ni Inday. Carry lang. Ngayon na nga lang ako nakapag-ayos ulit, Diyos mio. Talagang priority na yung anak ba, no? Wala na talagang arty-arty, basta nanay ka na. Magbabalik alindog tayo sa tamang panahon. For now, i-enjoy muna natin ang pagiging nanay. Nanay ni Inday Joanna. Uy, nanay talaga. Ganda ng bulaklak ha. In fairness, Dodong Franco ha. I like this. Sweet naman talaga. Talagang kabahan talaga yung mangligaw dito kay Ella one day kasi mataas yung expectation. Yung tatay niya sobrang romantic. Siyempre, di ba, dapat kung ano nakikita ng anak, di ba? Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Na LSS na ako dun sa piliin mo ang Pilipinas na mga mga video sa TikTok. Comment down below kung nagti-TikTok kayo. Grabe talaga yung mga entry ng mga vloggers ngayon sa ano, piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Oh, super ganda na. Meron pa. Kala ko pa naman mag-gym ito si Dodong Franco. Hindi pala. Bumili pala ng bulaklak. Cancel yung dinner. Cancel yung pa-dinner date. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Through the years, you've never let me down. Kaya yung kinanta ni Dodong Franco yung Through the Years kasi yan yung wedding song namin. Yan yung song nung nag-walk down the aisle ako. So, kaya sobrang ano yan sa amin. Grabe yung sobrang special yung kanta sa amin na Through the Years. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Oh, ayun na yan, Zay. Ang ganda. May pang-display na naman si Inday Joanna dito. Kotang-kota na ako sa pabulaklak ni Dodong. O, diba? Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda talaga pag may bulaklak ka sa bahay, no? Kaso minsan din, mahal din siya, Zay. 10 pounds, 15 pounds. Depende pa yan kung sobrang ganda ng mga bulaklak.